John Jacobson with sports. Track and field usually focuses on, individual achievement, right? But this is a different animal. It looks at the whole team.
It does, and it rewards team depth, and that works to Wayzata's favor for the boys, certainly on Wednesday. The High School League state-sponsored section track and field meets are in about 3 weeks throughout the state. Several schools also, though, compete in section true team meets. Wayzata was the host team for the Section 7 3A meet, girls 200-meter dash. Hopkins' Demi Manuel Moore winning with a time of 26.14 seconds. Wayzata sophomore Ruby Stauber is fourth. Boys 1600, Hopkins' Joe Klecker holds off a late charge. Klecker's winning time 4 minutes 22.1 seconds. Girls 3200, Wayzata's Anna French crushes the field, lapping some of the other runners and winning with a time of 10 minutes 52.16 seconds. Boys 4x200, Mitch Walber blazes the anchor leg, and that gives the Trojans gold. The boys pole vault, Wayzata's Ben Yost is the winner, clearing a top height of 14 feet. Here are the final team scores. Wayzata's boys win with 1,022 points. Hopkins is second. Armstrong places sixth. In the girls' meet, Minnetonka is the Section 7 True Team champion. Wayzata is third with Hopkins fourth and Armstrong eighth.